everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how a car dealership can benefit from Odoo. Specifically, how a car dealership can benefit from Odoo when handling expenses. So let's go ahead and move to the expenses application. So let's give you guys a little bit of a scenario. Let's say one of your sales reps or the lot managers had to go ahead and put some gas on a car, but they forgot and they left the dealership card. And they obviously had to use theirs or maybe some cash that they had laying around. Of course, we all want to have our money back, so here they can create a new expense. So here, let's create an expense saying gas for, and here we're going to put in the total. Let's say he had to go for $60 of gas. And here we're going to select employee to reimburse. We're going to add who the employee was. We're going to go ahead and say it was Nick. All right, so here the account which is going to be going to is the expenses account, the expense date, any bill references that we're going to need. Then here we can add any notes. So let's say here we can maybe add the date of when this happened, or we can add maybe at what time. So let's say it was today, 2023, and we're actually going to go ahead and put that it was 93. All right. So in this case, you have the option to attach a receipt. If not, it's not necessary. You can also split expenses, but in this case, we're just going to go ahead and make a basic expense. So now we're going to go ahead and create the report. All right, we're going to verify that everything is done. Perfect. Okay. And here we can even add who the manager is. We're going to go ahead and say administrator, and we're going to submit it to the manager. So we're going to pretend to be the manager here for a second, and let's say we took a look at it. Okay, here we have the expense as well. Yep, these are all of our list of expenses, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to go and approve it. So once we've approved it, we can post it to our journal entries. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to post the journal entries. So now let's say that the journal entry has been posted, and we are going to register the payment. The journal is going to be in the bank, and there we go. This is the memo that we have, which is placed automatically, and we're going to create the payment. And there we go, it is in payment. Now our employee is going to be happy, he got his reimbursement, and we can do this for so many more types of expenses. So let's say here we can have the expenses report, we can view all the expenses that have been done. Here, let's go ahead, and Bob needs a expense. Approve, post journal entries, register the payment, and all set. As you can see, all of them have been done and in payment. And you can also view the expense analysis. You can view how many expenses were done and how many expenses we've had. And you can also go ahead and make any sort of configurations, such as like your incoming emails, expense digitalization, reimburse in payslip, if you'd like to reimburse the expenses in payslip, which in this case we do not have it configured, or just in our default journal, see employee expense journal or the company expense journal. And that is it for today, guys. This is how Odoo can help a car dealership with the expenses of their employees. Don't forget to follow us for more tips and tricks on how Odoo can help a car dealership. Thank you for watching. Bye.